How to link Dead by Daylight Epic Games to Steam. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in deadbydaylight.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Dead by Daylight game. Now at the top right, you will find this icon. You have to click on it. In order to link your Dead by Daylight Epic Games to Steam, you will need to create your behavior account. So go ahead and click on the option of Join Now. If you have already created the account, click on Sign In. After you log in, you will land to this kind of interface. Now click on this option of Connections. Scroll down. Over here, you will find this section of Linked Accounts. Likewise, you will see the section of Available Platforms. Scroll to the right, you will find the option of Steam. Click on Link. Now click on Confirm. You have to link your Steam account. So go ahead and type in your Steam account's credentials. Likewise, do the same for Epic Games. Click on Link. Click on Confirm. Provide your Epic Games account's credentials. After you link your Epic Games and Steam account, you will be good to go. So this is how you can link Dead by Daylight Epic Games to Steam. Well, that's all for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.